Welcome to Dongwon Rainbow Touches Garments Co., Limited. In the world of fashion, taste, mood, nature, and color count a lot, and this is where we stand out. Rainbow Touches designs and produces goods to suit your taste and mood, with natural colors that come with originalities. Rainbow Touches has more than 15 years of experience in manufacturing streetwear clothing and has accumulated rich industry knowledge and technical strength. As a supplier, we provide brand owners and designers with a full range of OEM customization services to meet customers' needs for unique trendy clothing. Our factory has advanced production equipment and a professional team, including designers, cutters, sewing workers, and quality inspectors. Through efficient production process and strict quality control, we are able to provide high quality and on-time delivery of custom garments. Rainbow Touches is professional in various crafts of streetwear clothing, like DTG print, sublimation, screen printing, 3D embroidery, tie-dye and acid wash, etc. We mainly trade with North American, European, Australian, and South American countries. Rainbow Touches has its own design team and R&D in sample making technique. We always hold the concept customer comes first and keep the quality is our culture. Furthermore, we have attended China Clothing Accessories Expo in Melbourne, Australia, Magic Show in Las Vegas, United States, and Pure London Show in London, UK. We have more and more international trade business experience. We assure you of a splendid satisfaction. Meanwhile, we have our individual company culture. Our Rainbow Touches team workers always keep great passion, professional skills, responsibility, and mission in their jobs. Work with us. Rainbow Touches offers you the best service you can ever imagine.